Hi, I'm Christy. I'm the EPS worker for Ysgolhafen Wen and the Hawthorne and Rydfelin area. We're here today at Pontypridd ABC Boxing Gym with a right hook project. I've got a group of boys in Year 9 that have come over to get involved with the right hook. Right hook is a project that works with the Young Offenders Service, working with boys that could be disengaging, could need a bit of confidence boost, could need some support to be better community members, and just an opportunity really to get out of school, do something different and have a bit of fun.
I'm Martin Burke, I'm the coordinator for the Right Hook project. I work for the Cwmtaf Youth Offending Service, or Youth Justice Service now, sorry. The Right Hook project uses boxing and martial arts and personal development to engage young people who are experiencing difficulties in their life, or struggling with anxiety, or they've been in trouble with the police, or a multitude of different things really. The main emphasis of the programme is for young people to come and engage with youth workers and staff, discuss any issues. So as well as the boxing, martial arts and the fitness aspect, we do a lot of work on issues that might be affecting them. So it could be substances, it could be county lines, it could be gang violence, it could just be building their confidence and have someone to talk to. But respecting each other, respecting the project, respecting the staff members, also respecting themselves as well. You all happy with that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
All enjoy?